Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's vlog, I'll be creating a makeup look using two of my favorite shade, green and purple. This is actually my first time to try to combine these two shades and I actually ended with this look. So if you want to know how I created this look, please keep on watching. I already applied a concealer as my eyeshadow base earlier and place a tape at the edge of my eyes to have that sharp end. And now I am applying a light green shade from my Fave eyeshadow palette as my transition shade. To emphasize my crease, I am taking on the same palette a medium green shade. From my Reloaded Revolution palette, I applied this dark purple in the outer corner of my eyes and blend it well. And now I take some concealer and create a half cut crease. For my donut palette, I Heart Revolution, I apply this shimmery light purple shade in the inner third of my eyes. And now I apply in the middle lid a matte purple eyeshadow. So before we finish our eye look, I start to finish the rest of my face makeup. So now our face makeup is almost done. I am tightening my lash line with some eyeliner pencil. To have that smoky effect, I apply a dark purple shade in my lower lash line and blend it with green eyeshadow afterwards. Okay, so we are almost done. I just add my falsies and nag-add lang ako ng shimmer dito sa aking inner corner and then mag-lipstick na tayo. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Ayan, sana nagustuhan niyo itong makeup look na na-create ko for today. And sana nag-enjoy din kayo. And if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa aking channel. And thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye!